Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins. Items do tend to shift in flight. There will be a uniform agent meeting this flight. He or she will be more than happy to assist you with any questions or comments you may have. We realize you had a choice of carriers. We thank you for choosing United. Have a great stay here in Newark, or the city or country of your final destination. Local time is 5:35 p.m. Good evening.